Duncan, the BoreMeister. It's not a product I know of Tungaloy, so can you explain in your own words what the BoreMeister is?
Yeah, BoreMeister is our vibration-free solution to deep boring. Most people will know that the restriction with a steel boring bar is 3 times D. With a carbide boring bar, you're heading up to 5 to 6 times D. With the BoreMeister, you can get up to 10 times D. And the reason that you can do that is what we have is an insert that's sat within the bar that is allowed to vibrate and dampen the vibration, the simple harmonics that are created by a boring bar that's sticking out that far.
Quite simple, but clever as well, isn't it, the technology behind that?
Yeah, it's a technology that's been around for a while, I suppose. It's our version thereof. We are very competitive on price. Our heads are interchangeable with other manufacturers. We've combined it today with a brand new turning grade that we have, our 9200 series, which is the new generation of insert for steel. So today we've actually bored out this EN24T to 10 times D, and the finish is superb.
Yeah, two things. The finish is superb, and obviously when we saw it machining, very, very quiet as well.
Very quiet. Again, this is down to the insert that's within the bar. The various graphs I've read, information that come out say that within a second of touching the component, the bar is already starting to work. So it's a very clever piece of technology.
So there is an argument, I know engineers wouldn't, but there is an argument to suggest you should buy this regardless of how deep the bore is, because you'll get superior finish, superior tool life presumably.
Yeah, you could argue that, but I think it's more horses for courses. I mean, somebody who's doing a 3 times D bore, use a standard steel bar, let's be sensible. This is aimed at deep boring where you want superb finishes. Combined either with the new grades that we have or with something like a Cermet insert, you are going to get extremely good surface finish.
And how about the materials and whether it's an intermittent cut going through some grooves possibly or casting? Does that have any influence?
I can honestly say none at all. I was recently out in Japan as part of the demonstrations. What they'd taken was a component and sawn a section out of it, so it had become an interrupted bore. And the difference between full contact turning and then the interrupted bore, we found it very hard to measure any difference at all. It was quite surprising.
So I think engineers watching this video, they're going to be excited. They're going to want to learn more. How do they learn more? And where can they see the product in action?
Quite simple, really. Contact us with your application details. We'll help you with that. We'll tell you whether the application is correct for it. You can contact one of our Tungaloy distributors, which we have nationwide, or simply come down here to the PPC at CIS in High Wycombe, where you can see the boring bar in action.
2019, with the release of the Introductions Catalogue, Tungaloy continued to strengthen its extensive portfolio, developing groundbreaking coatings, geometries and products. Introducing BoreMeister, vibration-free solution with a unique mechanism, reduces vibration during deep hole boring with long overhangs. Just one of the 8 new products featured in the Tungaloy 2019 Introductions Catalogue. Visit our new website, tungaloyuk.co.uk, and download your free copy. Or why not request a printed copy and receive our complimentary machine operators pack? Don't delay, get your copy today.